Billowing. The curtains are billowing in the wind. Draping. She is draping a shawl over her shoulders. Slinging. He is slinging his jacket over his shoulder. Plopping. He is plopping onto the couch. Ducking. He is ducking to avoid the ball. Threading. She is threading a needle. Entwining. They are entwining their fingers. Tousling. He is tousling the boy's hair. Nuzzling. The mother is nuzzling her baby. Slithering. The snake is slithering in the sand. Coiling. He is coiling the rope neatly. Wincing. The old man is wincing in pain. Nudging. She is nudging her friend and smiling. Bobbing. His head is bobbing to the music. Popping. The corn is popping in the pan. Scooting. The child is scooting across the floor. Shucking. She is shucking corn in the kitchen. Whittling. He is whittling a branch with a knife. Puckering. He is puckering his lips. Gazing. She is gazing out of the window. Clasping. He is clasping his hands nervously. Mouthing. The baby is mouthing his fingers. Rocking. He is rocking the chair slowly. Flickering. The light is flickering on and off. Stringing. She is stringing beads to make a necklace. Crocheting. She is crocheting a warm scarf. Spooling. She is spooling thread onto the cone. Toddling. The baby is toddling toward his mother. Foraging. The hens are foraging for seeds and insects. Cuddling. The mother is cuddling her baby. Tensing. He is tensing his shoulders. Flinching. She is flinching at the sound. Anchoring. She is anchoring the tent. Wobbling. The table is wobbling. Caressing. He is caressing her face gently. Prodding. The doctor is prodding his stomach gently. Skimming. He is skimming through the pages. Trembling. The old lady's hand is trembling with weakness. Perching. She is perching on the edge of the chair. Eroding. The soil is eroding near the river. Sprawling. She is sprawling on the bed. Clutching. She is clutching her bag tightly. Hunching. She is hunching over her laptop while working. Mumbling. She is mumbling to herself. Chugging. She is chugging water after the game. Shading. She is shading her eyes from the sun. Consoling. She is consoling her friend after the accident. Huddling. The team is huddling before the game. Preening. The parrot is preening its feathers. Gesturing. She is gesturing during her speech. Scurrying. The ant is scurrying around for food. Waddling. The ducks are waddling near the pond. Prowling. The lioness is prowling for prey. Lashing. The wind is lashing the trees violently. Hovering. The bird is hovering in the sky. Glancing. She is glancing in the mirror. Lapping. Waves are lapping against the shore. Blotting. She is blotting the oil from her face with a paper. Splattering. She is splattering paint on the canvas. Scrunching. She is scrunching her hair with gel. Lugging. She is lugging a heavy suitcase. Sluicing. The worker is sluicing the floor with water. Buffing. She is buffing the table to make it shiny. Blabbering. She is blabbering non-stop on the phone. Fraying. She is fraying her jeans at the bottom. Tobogganing. He is tobogganing on the snow. Squirming. The cockroach is squirming on its back. Stroking. He is stroking his chin as he thinks. Molting. The chicken is molting its feathers. Savoring. She is savoring the beautiful view. Drooling. The baby is drooling a lot. Rummaging. She is rummaging in the box to find something. Drooping. Her eyelids are drooping as she gets sleepy. Swooping. The eagle is swooping down on its prey. Plodding. He is plodding through the snow. Gnashing. She is gnashing her teeth because of the pain. Provoking. He is provoking his friend's anger by teasing him. Darting. His eyes are darting around the room. Parting. She is parting her hair in the middle. Swarming. Bees are swarming around the hive. Unfurling. The sailor is unfurling the sail quickly. Muttering. He is muttering to himself in frustration. Reassuring. The doctor gave reassuring words to the patient. Staggering. She was staggering because she felt dizzy. Cradling. The mother is cradling her baby to sleep. Skittering. The spider is skittering along the street. Tumbling. The girl is tumbling on the mat. Hauling. The villagers are hauling water from the well. Overflowing. The dam is overflowing after the heavy rain. Scribbling. He is scribbling notes in his notebook. Reclining. The passenger is reclining the seat. Munching. She is munching on chips during break. Gorging. He is gorging on a pizza because he is starving. Yanking. He is yanking the toy from his brother. Fluttering. The pages of the book were fluttering in the wind. Pinching. She is pinching her nose because of the bad smell. Popping. She is popping a bubble wrap. Etching. He is etching a design on wood. Swaying. The tree is swaying in the wind. Rushing. He is rushing to work.